Hi, I'm Chef Ricky Moore, and here's a crunchy oven fried chicken that's good for you. And we're going to start with making the yogurt marinade. So we're going to add the yogurt, and what the yogurt does is tenderizes the meat. It also aids as a little coating to keep the chicken moist. We're going to have dry thyme, chopped fresh garlic, paprika, cayenne pepper, and salt. And we're going to combine these ingredients until they're well blended. Now, we're going to add the chicken in the yogurt marinade. And you can marinate these chicken breasts for 2 hours or overnight. The goal is to ensure that the chicken breast is totally coated with the yogurt marinade. And now we're going to add the marjoram to the breadcrumbs so that they are moistened. And we want to blend that until the breadcrumbs look like wet sand. Okay, and once you achieve that look, then we're going to coat our chicken breast. So you shake off all the excess. Shake the bottom to coat, flip, and onto the pan. Now, this goes into a 400-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Wow! No grease, no mess, golden oven fried chicken.